Hey guys, what's up? I know a lot of you struggling to remove pilot bearings for cranks, and I'm gonna show you why it's kind of easy but difficult at the same time. Inside here on the crank we have this pilot bearing. It's look like that, or it's look like this. This one, it need to be exactly the same diameter with the transmission. Every transmission is different, and you need to check the pilot bearing, because if the pilot bearing is wrong, you can block your transmission. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can remove that. One of the tools you can buy from AutoZone or Ali is look like that. This is brand new. The tool, it's going inside, it's opening, and he grabbed the pilot bearing, and after you need this tool to screw it here, and with this move you grab it out. But the problem is this thing cannot go in, so the diameter cannot make it fit, so you cannot put it in, and if you try to open this hole after that, you cannot use it. So yes, maybe you can destroy it, remove it, and after you need to buy another one. I'm gonna show you the way, and you don't gonna believe it, how you can remove this one really quick. What we're gonna need is one screw nut. They can be the same diameter like the hole, and a lot of bread. So if you see this one, it cannot fit here. It's pretty close. This is not small, this is too small. This is a little bit big. So first of all, we're gonna round this screw, and we're gonna make it fit there. Let me show you how you're gonna do that. One of the ways is, if the screw can fit inside here, that's why I choose this screw. You go like that, you grab it down, so we can turn it, and you put safety glasses or not, and we go like that. We get in the grinder, put the grinder down, and we go like that. That was very quick. I'm gonna go and try it and see if it's going in. It's almost there, but it's not. Make sure, need to be tight, but need to be able to go in and out. Don't make it very tight, don't make it very loose. I'm in the point I have the perfect fit. If you see here, it's not playing, and it can go in and out. Now, the funny part. We need bread. What bread? Come on, don't do stupid questions. Doesn't matter if it's white or black. Black bread. It's a little bit better because it's a little bit more thick. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna get the hammer, and we're gonna put as much bread we can put inside here. I know, sounds very, very funny, but you're gonna see what's gonna happen when we put the bread inside. You need to fit as much bread you can put inside. What's happening, and what is the phenomenon, when we push the bread, the screwdriver is going in the hole, and the back is pushing the bearing outside. On the beginning, we can push with our hands, and later we're gonna need the hammer. Here we go. You see? Making space, we put more bread. I want you to see what happened. Might look funny, but it's work. This is 1 minute later. Look at that. You see the bearing start to coming out. Here we go. This is the pilot bearing. It's really clean. It's like a brand new. You remove the bread, you throw this bread out, and you get a screwdriver over here. You remove this old bread. Believe it or not, the bread take also and clean it up all that surface area, and it's ready to install this bearing. After I clean it up here inside, it's ready to install on the new engine, on the new crank. That was the tip of the day. I give you how you can remove easy a pilot bearing for your engine. Doesn't matter what engine you have. Doesn't matter how the bearing look like, if it's a solid bearing like this one in this case, or if it's a bearing like that. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna remove this one as well, and I have to install this old bearing, which is fitting exactly on this transmission. That's another way to clean it up. So I'm gonna remove this one for this new engine I just built and put it here. It's exactly the same diameter, but inside the hole is different because this engine was going in a different application than this one. So yeah, let me know what else you guys wanna see, but I hope that helped. You don't need tools. It is way more better to fix a tool to go exactly on this hole with the easiest way I just showed you. Destroyed one of your screws, which you can buy it on any hardware selling place. You can go to Home Depot or whatever, the hardware store close to your area, or get one old screw and make it round. Don't need to be perfect. Look how it's fitting. If you see, when I was hitting, the breading was going between. You want it to don't be tight. Don't over tight it and go like that. If you go like that, you're gonna have a problem to remove it. It's gonna have a little bit hard time. So push it all the time, like push it till here. Don't push it more. If you wanna know where it is, and before you put bread, you can mark with a pen how far you can go, so you don't go past this, and yeah, that's gonna make you to remove easy a pilot bearing. Screwdriver, one old screw, and bread.